Hi guys, today I will show how can we will delete our Windows old version after updating new version in Windows 10. You can see Windows old version after updating Windows 10 version. Now let's go how can we will delete this version. If you delete this file in here, you can face some kinds of problem. So now let's go how can we will done this. Click on PC, computer, settings, systems, store this PC, C drive, just wait. You can select temporary file, and in here you can see the menu options. Now you select the previous version of Windows. This size of this file are 1.5 MB, but I delete many kinds of file previously, but in your system you can see the less than 10 GB. However, you can select previous or remove file. Click here and wait for deleting this file. This is 0 byte. This is your old version of in your PC. Now just I'm going to in my PC. You can see here there is no old version of Windows 10 after deleting temporary file from settings, and you can also find this file from here, settings, hit settings, systems, store. This is the same procedure, and you select temporary file and delete the previous Windows version on your systems. Hit temporary file and your previous version is empty, so you can enjoy this. Thank you for watching.